Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check out the timetable on the Air Cairo application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. After that you should click on the timetable button down below, which is the fourth option. Here you should select your the origin or the departure point. After that you should select your destination, then set your trip type such as one-way or round trip, then set your departure date and click on the find flights button, and here you will be able to find the timetable of the available flights. So here you can check it out, and you can proceed on the calendar to see which days are available. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.